What are you doing today,
I
Balkis?
I just wake up. I just wake up for sleeping from
Oh, you just
sleeping.
wake up. Did you go to
Yes,
school
miss.
today?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you, Balkis. And then,
Okay.
Budi, are you there, Budi? Hello, Budi. No, Budi. How about Indah? Are you there, Indah? No, Indah, yeah. Okay, so everyone, thank you so much for coming today to our last day of this boot camp. Let's talk and don't be afraid, yeah. For our last material today, we're gonna talk more and more fun activities and also more fun topics, yeah. And don't forget this bootcamp is held by Yayasan. And then maybe let's just go to our material, yeah. Okay, yes, this bootcamp is held by Yayasan Pelita Jaya Nusantara, and this bootcamp is actually made to help uh, young generation ya, jadi anak muda that want to learn English secara gratis ya teman-teman. Oke, so kira-kira bisa dilihat nggak screen-nya? Balkis, can you see the screen? Halo, Balkis?
Yes, miss.
Ya, bisa ya. Oke, so for our today material, kita akan belajar tentang asking and giving suggestion. Oke, I want to ask Fajrina. Fajrina, are you there, Fajrina?
Yes, Miss.
Do you know what does it mean? Tahu nggak artinya apa ini? Tahu?
Bertanya dan memberikan sugesti.
Sugesti. Contohnya kayak gimana?
I don't know, Miss.
You don't know. Okay, it's okay. How about Balkis? Are you there, Balkis?
Yes, miss.
Okay, how about you, Balkis? What do you think? What does it mean? Asking and giving suggestion itu artinya apa?
Bertanya dan memberikan saran.
Contohnya gimana, for example?
Like what are you doing today?
Terus?
And why don't you try this? Maybe.
Okay. Jadi, very good ya. Jadi, suggestion itu artinya saran atau nasihat ya. Jadi, asking and giving suggestion itu artinya meminta, meminta dan memberikan. Misalnya contoh, menurut kamu bajuku, no, no, no. Menurutmu, no, no, for example like this. Saya mau belajar bahasa Inggris, kira-kira sarannya apa ya biar bisa bagus bahasa Inggrisku? Itu kan meminta pendapat ya, atau saran. Kira-kira saran apa yang bagus buat saya can be good at English, misalnya. Atau giving, misalnya, saranku sih kamu coba pakai baju itu aja, atau saranku aja kamu mending begini, begitu. That's called suggestion ya, atau saran. Nah, for today kita akan belajar tentang asking and giving suggestion. Okay, and just please reminder everyone, you can try to open your camera and then second of all, use raise hand, yeah? If you want to speak, if you want to say something, if you want to ask, maybe you can try to use raise hand. And the last one is be confident and be brave as well. So in here, because we focusly about speaking ya, kita di sini fokus ke arah speaking. So that's why I want you guys to be brave. Coba untuk berani and then be confidence atau percaya diri. Okay, let's just go to our material today. But first of all, let's go to warm up. Warm up atau uh, what is it called? Like pemanasan. Pemanasan, question, pertanyaan, berarti pertanyaan pemanasan. The first one is, what do you usually do when you feel bored at home? The second one, if your friends want to improve English, what suggestion can you give? Jadi number one, apa yang biasa kamu lakukan ketika kamu merasa bosan di rumah? And the second is, kalau misalnya temanmu mau meningkatkan bahasa Inggris, kira-kira saran apa yang bisa kamu berikan? Okay, maybe I'll just go to Balkis first. Balkis, are you there, Balkis?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Balkis, can you try to answer number one? Coba dijawab number one.
What do you usually do when you feel bored at home?
Mhm.
Uh, I'm just playing games with my friend.
Okay, and then what else other than playing games?
Sleeping.
Oh, sleeping. Is it sleeping is your hobby?
Not really, but I like to sleep.
Okay. How about number two, Balkis?
Your friend wants to improve English. What suggestion can you give?
Mhm. Apa coba?
Bahasa Inggrisnya pergi les apa, Miss?
Kalau misalnya temanmu mau meningkatkan bahasa Inggris, kira-kira saran apa yang kamu mau berikan?
Bahasa Inggrisnya kamu bagaimana coba untuk pergi les saja apa, Miss?
Okay, go to courses. Nih ya, pergi
Iya.
ke les. Okay, so the suggestion is just go to courses, pergi ke les aja.
Ya,
Okay.
kan
What? And then maybe ada lagi?
no, Miss, itu aja, Miss.
Okay. Kira-kira how about you, Bakis? Kira-kira how do you improve your English, Bakis? By what?
Uh, so I have a brother that can speak English, so he can teach me.
Okay, so your brother teach you speak English?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much, Balkis. Very well, yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Miss.
Okay, let's go to Fajrina. Are you there, Fajrina?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, how about you, Fajrina? Number one. What is your answer?
Usually I play game or reading.
What you read? Oh, you read comics, yeah.
Yes, Miss.
What else other than playing games and read comics, maybe? What you usually do?
I'm drawing.
Oh, drawing as well. Okay. And then how about number two? If your friends want to improve English, what suggestion can you give?
Ask them for read more books.
Okay. So ask them like just ask them to read more books. Jadi
And
baca baca buku lebih banyak.
yes, Miss.
Okay. How about you, Fajrina? How you improve your English? By how? Yeah, how is it?
Reading.
Oh, what kind of book you read?
I learn English with comic.
Oh, like an English comic like that?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Very well, Fajrina. And then there is Eva. Are you there, Eva?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, how about you, Eva? Number one, what do you usually do when you feel bored at home?
Uh, I usually scrolling TikTok actually. Like
Mm-hmm.
not only TikTok, Miss, but Instagram too, or maybe Facebook.
Okay. And then number two, how if friends want to improve English, what suggestion can you give?
Oh, I will suggest to watching movies, like English movies.
Okay. And how about you? How do you improve your English?
From watching movies too.
Okay, from watching movies too, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Eva.
Yes, Miss.
How about Zifara? Are you there, Zifara? No, yeah? Okay, maybe let's just go to the next one. Let's go to our main material today, which is about asking and giving suggestion. Tadi suggestion tuh artinya saran ya. Jadi asking and giving suggestion itu artinya meminta dan juga memberikan saran atau nasihat. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris, asking and giving a suggestion is requesting or offering advice to of recommendation ya. Or ini sorry, or. Oke, jadi requesting or offering advice or recommendation about something. Jadi asking and giving opinion adalah request atau meminta atau menawarkan sebuah nasihat atau merekomendasikan tentang sesuatu hal. Misalnya tadi contoh, if your friends ask how to improve English, kalau misalnya temanmu mau belajar bahasa Inggris, kira-kira saran apa? Itu kan termasuk offering ya atau recommendation. Nah, itu yang dinamakan suggestion. Jadi misalnya contoh lain tadi, misalnya temanmu nanyain kira-kira baju apa yang cocok for me, which kind of clothes that actually match for me, and then you said, oh maybe it's better for you to get blue color t-shirt or maybe white color t-shirt. Nah, itu juga termasuk recommendation as well ya. Jadi termasuk advice. Nah, we're gonna talk about that today, how to asking and giving some suggestion. Okay, but first of all, let's go to our conversation today. This is the example about some asking and giving some suggestion, especially in daily life. Yeah, there is Rina and Dina. First of all, I will try to read. Jadi saya bakal baca dulu, and then after that, you guys can try. Yeah. Okay, so the first one is Rina. I want to improve my English speaking. What should I do? Dina, I think you should practice speaking every day. Rina, that's a good idea. Do you have another suggestion? Dina, maybe you can watch English videos and repeat the sentences. Rina, okay, I will try that. Thank you for your suggestion. Nah, ini kan salah satu contoh ya di conversation. Okay, so maybe let's go to you guys who wants to try to read. Maybe to be Rina and then to be Dina. Ada yang mau coba langsung? Anyone? Maybe let's go to Fajrina deh. Halo Fajrina.
Yes, Miss.
And then Eva. Are you there, Eva? Hello, Eva.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, Fajrina, you can be Rina, and Eva, you can be Dina. Go ahead.
I want to improve my English speaking. What should I do?
I think you should practice speaking every day.
That's a good idea. Do you have another suggestion?
Maybe you can watch English videos and repeat the sentences.
Okay, I will try that. Thank you for your suggestion.
Okay, very well. I want to ask Eva. Eva,
Yeah, Miss.
Eva, can you try to mention only one, yeah? One suggestion. Giving suggestion from this sentence.
Dari Dina, Miss, yang I think you should practice speaking every day.
Okay, I think you should practice speaking every day. What does it mean? Apa artinya?
Aku pikir kamu harus latihan berbicara setiap hari.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Eva. Nice, yeah?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, let's, Fajrina.
Yes,
I want to
Miss.
ask you about what, can you mention one that, talking about asking some suggestion? Only one only. Satu aja.
Read the sentence.
Which one?
Dina, Miss. Maybe you can watch English videos and repeat the sentence.
Okay. How about asking? Asking suggestion. Meminta saran.
I want to improve my English speaking. What should I do?
Okay, what does it mean? Apa artinya?
Aku mau mengimprove bahasa bicara bahasa Inggrisku. Apa yang harus kulakukan?
Okay, very good. Thank you, Fajrina. Let's go to Balkis. Are you there, Balkis?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, and then maybe Anggi. Are you there, Anggi? Hello, Anggi? No, Anggi, ya. Okay, maybe Anggi, you can be with me there, Anggi. Sorry, Balkis. Okay, Balkis, you can be Rina and I'll be Dina.
Okay, Miss. I want to improve my English speaking.
Okay. Hello?
Hello, Miss.
Okay.
I want to improve my English speaking. What should I do?
I think you should practice speaking every day.
That's a good idea. Do you have another suggestion?
Maybe you can watch English videos and repeat the sentences.
Okay, I will try that. Thank you for your suggestion.
Okay, thank you. Balkis, kira-kira can you mention one that talks about asking opinion? Sorry, asking suggestion maybe?
Asking suggestion.
Yes.
Mm, I want to improve my English speaking. What should I do?
Oke, tadi itu udah ya. Fajrina already said that. Maybe one more. Ada lagi satu ini, masih ada satu.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Do you have another suggestion?
Yes, do you have another suggestion? What does it mean? Apa artinya?
Apakah kamu memiliki saran yang lain?
Oke, thank you. Very well ya. Thank you, Balkis. Oke, yes. Good job ya. Jadi itu salah satu contohnya ya. Yang tadi Fajrina said, the first one is what should I do? Jadi apa yang harus aku lakukan? Ini merupakan salah satu bentuk permintaan atau asking for some suggestion. Kira-kira aku harus apa ya? Nah, dan ada juga tadi, I think you should practice speaking every day. Atau menurut aku, kamu harus sering belajar latihan berbicara setiap hari. Ini kan termasuk salah satu advice ya, atau nasihat atau saran. Kira-kira sarannya ketika mau improve bahasa Inggris, kira-kira gimana? Ya, menurutku kamu harus sering latihan ngomong gitu aja. Lalu ada tadi, do you have some another suggestion? Kamu ada saran lain lagi nggak? Tadi kan Dina udah kasih satu saran nih. Nah, Rina butuh lagi. That's why he said, do you have another suggestion? Kamu ada saran lagi? Lalu Dina menjawab, maybe you can watch English videos and repeat the sentences. Jadi, mungkin kamu bisa menonton English videos atau video bahasa Inggris, lalu mencoba untuk mengulangi kalimatnya. Jadi mungkin dia try to imitate ya. Jadi mencoba untuk mengikuti bagaimana cara orang itu berbicara di dalam videonya. Jadi di sini Rina and Dina making some conversation tentang asking and giving suggestion. Oke, kita lanjut yaitu ke kita ke vocabulary bank first. Jadi di sini ada beberapa vocabulary bank that actually very common ketika kita berbicara tentang asking and giving some suggestion. Jadi ini beberapa yang sangat umum ya. The first one is suggestion. Suggestion. Ini jadinya bukan G lagi ya, tapi jadi J. Suggestion. Suggestion. Lalu the second one is advice. Advice. Lalu ada problem. Problem. Lalu ada kata idea. Ini bukan idea ya, tapi idea. And then there is help. Ada help. Lalu solution. Solution. Artinya solusi. Lalu improve. Improve. Yang artinya meningkatkan. The last one is practice. 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 Artinya latihan. Jadi ingat ya, suggestion, advice, problem, idea, help, solution, improve, and practice. Jadi ini ya beberapa kosakata that actually very common to use when we are talking about asking and giving advice. Ini beberapa kosakata yang sangat umum ketika kita berbicara tentang asking, meminta atau memberikan pendapat atau saran ya. Oke, selanjutnya kita ke common expression. Di sini ada beberapa ekspresi yang biasanya sangat umum ya digunakan ketika kita berbicara tentang asking and giving suggestion. Yang pertama yaitu asking for suggestion atau meminta saran atau nasihat. The first one is what should I do? Tadi kan sudah ada yang mencontohkan ya di composition. What should I do? Atau apa yang harus aku lakukan? Itu kan meminta saran atau nasihat ya. The second one is what do you think I should do? Kalau menurutmu aku harus gimana ya? Itu. Lalu ada do you have any suggestion? Ingat ini bacanya J ya teman-teman bukan G. Jadi do you have any suggestion? Kamu ada saran nggak? Lalu ada can you give me some advice? Bisakah kamu memberikan saya beberapa nasihat atau saran? Can you give me some advice? Misalnya contoh, lagi beli baju baru nih. Atau misalnya bingung mau beli baju apa, you ask your friend, can you give me some advice? Kira-kira bisa nggak kamu berikan saran? Kira-kira baju apa yang bagus nih? Nah, itu nanti temannya jawab maybe ya. Itu asking for suggestion atau meminta saran. Lalu the second one is giving suggestion. Jadi yang pertama itu meminta, lalu yang kedua ada memberikan. Nah, ketika kita memberikan saran atau nasihat itu kan biasa tergantung konteks ya. Di sini ada beberapa contoh. The first one is you should practice English every day. Jadi, dia ada kata you should. You should. Jadi artinya kamu harus belajar bahasa Inggris atau harus sering latihan bahasa Inggris setiap hari. Lalu ada kata I think you should study with your friends. Menurutku sih kamu harusnya belajar sama teman-temanmu. Atau maybe you can watch English videos. Mungkin kamu bisa menonton English videos. Atau why don't you join an English club? Kenapa kamu nggak ikut? Kenapa kamu nggak mengikuti English club aja? Nah, ini ya beberapa sarannya ya. Jadi tergantung konteks ya teman-teman. Misalnya contoh lain yang kayak tadi. Misalnya mau beli baju baru terus bingung. What kind of clothes I want to buy? Terus tanya, can you give me some advice? Kamu bisa nggak berikan saya saran? Lalu dijawab, I think you should buy blue color t-shirt. Menurutku kamu beli kaos warna biru. Atau maybe you should buy blue color t-shirt. Menurutku kamu harus beli kaos biru ya. Seperti itu contohnya. Jadi tetap tergantung konteks. Tapi mungkin bisa digunakan awalan-awalannya nih ya. You should, I think you should, maybe, maybe you can buy English, maybe you can try, or maybe you can watch, maybe. Lalu yang terakhir, why don't you join an English club? Ini contoh-contohnya ya, tentang giving suggestion. Oke, lalu the next slide, which is for suggestion and idea. Jadi ini lebih ke arah rekomendasi ya. Jadi mungkin di sini kita tidak bertanya atau kita tidak memberikan sebuah suggestion, tapi lebih ke arah merekomendasikan. The first one is maybe we can study together. Mungkin kita bisa belajar bareng nih. Misalnya ini is actually usually happen when we discuss about something ya. Kalau misalnya kita sedang dalam diskusi kan kita disuruh memberikan idea. Lalu kita merekomendasikan, oh maybe we can try to use this, maybe we can this and blah blah blah. Lalu the second one is let's try speaking English today. Mungkin hari ini kita coba aja untuk latihan bahasa Inggris. Lalu how about watching an English movie? Lalu why don't we practice dialogue? Itu. Lalu the last one is responding to suggestion. Nah, kan kalau misalnya kita sudah meminta sebuah saran, lalu teman kita memberikan saran, kan kita harus merespon ya. Yang pertama, that's a good idea. Misalnya kalau misalnya sarannya itu saran yang bagus, benar, dan kelihatannya sangat berguna, you can say that, oh that's a good idea. Itu ide yang bagus kayaknya. Lalu number two is, I think you are right. Menurutku kamu benar. Menurutku saran kamu tuh benar. Lalu, I will try that. Oke, mungkin aku coba deh. Misalnya tadi contohnya ya, sarannya kamu mungkin coba beli aja kaos warna biru. Nah, terus dijawab, oke, I will try that. Oke, aku coba deh beli gitu. Lalu the last one is thank you for your suggestion. Jadi makasih ya sarannya. Itu. Jadi ini contoh-contoh ekspresi ketika kita merespond, ketika diberikan sebuah saran atau juga nasihat. You guys can try to use this ya. When we are gonna do some speaking challenge in our last slide. Oke, kita lanjut ke next slide, which is the reading text ya. Di sini ada reading text tentang Rina. Kira-kira, oke, maybe I will try to read it first ya. Maybe Miss bakal baca duluan, lalu kalian bisa after me ya. Okay, Rina has a problem. She wants to improve her English speaking, but she feels shy when she speaks in class. She asks her friend for a suggestion. Her friend says that she should practice speaking every day. She also suggests watching English videos and speaking in front of a mirror. Rina thinks it is a good idea, so she decided to practice a little every day to improve her confidence. Jadi di sini tentang Rina yang memiliki sebuah masalah ya. Masalahnya itu dia ingin belajar bahasa Inggris atau meningkatkan bahasa Inggris, tapi dia tuh malu ya. Nah, kira-kira di sini temannya memberikan sebuah saran. Kira-kira apa sarannya? Oke, let's go to the first one. Kira-kira ada yang mau volunteer? Want to try to read? Langsung baca the whole paragraph ya. Maybe from Eva. Are you there, Eva? Hello, Eva. No, Eva ya.
Ada Miss.
Okay, Eva, can you try to read the whole paragraph? Semuanya ya.
Okay. Rina has a problem. She wants to improve her English speaking, but she feels shy when she speaks in class. She asks her friend for a suggestion. Her friend says that she should practice speaking every day. She also suggests watching English videos and speaking in front of a mirror. Rina thinks it is a good idea, so she decides to practice a little every day to improve her confidence.
Oke,
Demi
Oke, thank you Eva. Kira-kira di sini yang menunjukkan, yang mention tentang suggestion, memberikan suggestion, ada nggak?
yang memberikan suggestion Miss.
Which one?
Itu Miss, yang her friend says that she should practice speaking every day.
Oke, what does it mean? Apa artinya?
Temannya bilang dia harus berbicara setiap hari.
Oke, thank you Eva. Good job.
Thank you Miss.
You're welcome. Kita sekarang maybe ke Elhart. Are you there, Elhart?
Lagi di apa, Miss? Lagi
Mhm.
belum bisa, Miss, belum bisa.
Okay, it's okay. It's fine. How about Fajrina? Are you there, Fajrina?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, yes. Go ahead. Your turn.
Rina has a problem. She wants to improve her English speaking, but she feels shy when she speaks in class. She asks her friends for a suggestion. Her friend said that she should practice speaking every day. She also suggests watching English videos and speaking in front of a mirror. Rina thinks it's a good idea, so she decides to practice a little every day to improve her confidence.
Okay, thank you so much, Fajrina.
Yeah.
Okay, Balkis, are you there, Balkis?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, your turn, Balkis.
Rina has a problem. She wants to improve her English speaking, but she feels shy when she speaks in class. She asks her friend for a suggestion. Her friend says that she should practice speaking every day. She also suggests watching English videos and speaking in front of a mirror. Rina thinks it is a good idea, so she decided to practice a little every day to improve her confidence.
Okay, very well. Thank you so much, Balkis.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, I think that's all ya. Okay, very good ya. Jadi ingat teman-teman, ini bacanya bukan suggestion ya, bukan, tapi suggestion. Jadi dia bacanya J, suggestion. Suggestion, bukan suggestion ya, tapi suggestion. Okay, good job. Let's go to the next slide, which is about choose the best suggestion. Jadi di sini ada salah satu situasi ya. Situasi di mana, for example, Rina wants to improve her English speaking. What should she do? Kira-kira apakah yang pertama, you should practice speaking every day atau you should stop learning English? Jadi di sini ada dua macam pilihan ya. That you guys can try to answer. Maybe let's go to Eva. Are you there, Eva? Hello, Eva? No, Eva? Maybe Fajrina. Number one, Fajrina. No, no Fajrina.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, number one.
Wait a second.
Yes, number one.
You should, Miss. You should practice speaking every day.
Oke, artinya apa?
Kau harus praktek berbicara setiap hari.
Oke, number two. Kalau number two itu artinya apa number two?
Kau harus berhenti belajar bahasa Inggris.
Oke, jadi the right one, the correct one is nomor berapa? Pilihan yang mana?
Miss.
Ya, very good. Jadi di sini situasinya Rina mau belajar bahasa Inggris. Kira-kira apa yang harus dilakukan? Kira-kira sarannya yang bagus apa? Ya, kamu harus coba latihan belajar bahasa Inggris. Masa yang number two kamu stop aja? That's wrong ya. Okay, thank you so much, Fajrina. Good job.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, and then Elhart. Are you there, Elhart? No, Elhart ya. Okay, maybe. Ya, Balkis. Number 2, Balkis. Yang bawah, Balkis.
A, Miss.
Oke, itu situasinya apa dulu? What is the situation?
Uh, Andy feels bored at home. What suggestion is good?
Okay, the answer is?
Maybe you can watch an English movie.
Okay, what does it mean? Apa artinya?
Mungkin kamu bisa menonton English movie.
Okay, maybe you can watch an English movie. Good job. Jadi A ya. Number 3, Sinta has a difficult homework. What should she do? Jadi, Sinta punya PR yang susah ya. Kira-kira apa yang harus dilakukan? The first one, you should ask your teacher or friend for help. Kamu harus meminta bantuan teachermu atau temanmu untuk meminta bantuan. Atau number 2, you should ignore the homework. Kamu harus mengabaikan PR-nya. Kira-kira jawabannya apa teman-teman? Tahu nggak? What is the answer? Number 3. Okay, Balkis, what is the answer?
Miss,
What does it mean tadi? Apa artinya?
kamu bisa bertanya kepada gurumu dan temanmu untuk bantuan.
Oke, very good. Jadi kamu bisa bertanya gurumu atau temanmu untuk bantuan. Very good. Thank you, Balkis.
Thank you, Miss.
The last one is Budi wants to learn new English word. Nah, kira-kira what is the okay, Elhart. The last one, Elhart.
Jadi Budi wants to learn new English words. Jawabannya A, Miss. Karena you should read English book.
Oke,
Dia
good
harus
job.
membaca buku.
Yes, thank you so much, Elhart. Jadi Budi mau belajar kosakata baru dalam bahasa Inggris. Kira-kira suggestionnya apa? Yaitu kamu harus membaca English book ya, daripada you should never study. Good job. Okay, and then for this one ya, kita lanjut. Ini sama kayak a match the situation, tapi di sini kita menjodohkan, lebih ke arah menjodohkan. The first one, I want to improve my English speaking. Kira-kira yang masuk apa? Dari number A, nomor 1 sampai 5, kira-kira yang masuk jodohnya yang mana? Which one? I want to improve my English speaking. Maybe Elhart lagi deh, Elhart. Kira-kira apa jawabannya Elhart? Yang A. Jodohnya yang mana? I want to improve my English speaking. Or maybe Balkis? Kira-kira apa Balkis?
Nomor 3, Miss. Number 3.
Ya. Apa itu number 3?
Why don't you practice speaking every day?
Okay, nice. How about B, Balkis?
I feel bored at home. Maybe you can watch an English movie.
Okay.
Number 1, Miss.
Number 1 or number
Number 2, Miss.
Number 2. Okay, thank you so much, Balkis. Good job.
Thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
number 3, maybe Fajrina. Yang C, Fajrina.
Yes, Miss.
C.
I have of homework today. Nomor 4, Miss. You should do your homework step by step.
Okay, how about yang D? I want to learn English word.
Nomor 1, Miss. Maybe you should read English books.
Okay, thank you so much, Fajrina. Okay, jadi
Yes,
berarti
Miss.
yes, you're welcome. Berarti terakhir yang kelima yaitu maybe you can practice in front of the mirror. Okay, very good. Oke, kita langsung ke last slide, not the last ya. Kita langsung ke speech challenge. Jadi di speech challenge ini, I will make you become partner ya. Maybe, Eva, are you there, Eva? Ada Eva nggak? Hello, Eva? No, Eva? Maybe, okay deh, okay, Elhart. Elhart, can you try to match with Balkis ya? Elhart sama Balkis. And Elhart, No, Balkis dia. Balkis coba buatkan satu problem, nanti Elhard buatkan solusinya. Misalnya contoh Balkis bilang, I don't know how to sing. Saya tidak bisa belajar bahasa Inggris. Kira-kira apa solusinya? Lalu Elhard bilang, maybe you can try to practice singing. Saya kayak gitu. Jadi Balkis memberikan problem, lalu Elhard memberikan solusi. How about that? Oke, Balkis and Elhard?
Okay, Miss.
Oke, Balkis, what is the problem? Apa problemnya kira-kira?
Uh, I feel shy when I try to speak English in front of my class. What do you think I should do?
Oke, jadi Balkis bilang she feels shy when she try to speak in front of class ya, especially speaking English. Kira-kira solusinya apa, Elhard? Kalau misalnya malu ngomong bahasa Inggris di depan kelas. What do you think, Elhard? Hello?
Yeah, Miss. Maybe you can practice speaking English in front of the mirror, Miss.
Okay, maybe you can try to practice English. Try to speak talking in English in front of mirror. Is that right, Elhard?
Yeah, Miss.
Oke. Oke, Balkis? Kedengaran?
Okay,
Oke.
thank you for your suggestion.
Oke. Nah, sekarang balik nih. Sekarang Elhard, you can make a problem. Coba Elhard gantian buat problem, lalu Balkis yang membuatkan solusinya. Coba, Elhard. Hello, Elhard?
Yeah, Miss. Sabar.
Okay. And then maybe Fajrina.
Mimis.
Ya Indah. Wait ya Indah. Oke deh, Indah sama Fajrina deh. Fajrina, you can make a problem. Fajrina buat masalahnya, lalu Indah, you can try to make a solution ya, atau suggestion about that.
Okay, Miss. Sure.
Oke, Fajrina. What is the problem? Apapun itu ya, everything is fine.
I don't know to. I have been stuck when I learning grammar. What should I do?
Okay, you have what tadi?
I have been stuck when I'm learning grammar.
Okay, you have been stuck when you're trying to learn grammar. And yeah,
Yes,
okay, Indah, kira-kira what is the answer? What is your solution for that?
I think first of all that do you actually practice a lot more before? If you haven't practiced a lot until you like sick of practicing or like learning, then maybe you need to do that more often. And then maybe get some private tutor for you to help you, to help you expand knowledge of like someone's to guide you. Yeah. I think that's my suggestion for your issue now.
Okay, jadi suggestion from Indah is try to practice the grammar. Is that right, Indah?
Practice more, Miss.
Okay, practice more about the grammar. Okay. How about that, Fajrina?
I think that was right. I should more practice.
Okay. Okay, you get it ya, Fajrina? Okay, so I think everyone already involved ya, maybe. So let's go to our last slide. Oke, teman-teman, jadi sini ada sedikit tugas ya, teman-teman, karena ini it's our last meeting, ini meeting terakhir kita. Jadi di sini untuk sertifikat nanti, sebelum nanti sertifikatnya dibagi, kan nanti kan sertifikatnya bakal ada nilai tuh dari teman-teman. Jadi cara tahu nilainya gimana? Nah, kalian harus membuat video ya. Jadi membuat video at least 1 or 2 minutes. Jadi lebih boleh, kurang nggak boleh ya. Jadi di video itu nanti kalian coba try to introduce yourself. Jadi coba memperkenalkan diri. Dan lalu memberikan opini tentang kenapa English is important. Jadi itu ya, dalam satu video itu, membuat yang pertama tadi, introduce yourself, lalu giving your opinion about why English is important. Misalnya, Let me introduce myself. My name is blah 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 blah. And then why English is important because this blah 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 and blah 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 gitu ya dalam videos ya. And I hope you guys didn't read ya. Jadi jangan coba untuk membaca tapi try to practice in front of videos. Nah, di video ini kalian harus ngomong apa? Yang pertama your name, nama. Lalu your age. Lalu where you live, where do you live? Lalu what you do. Misalnya I am a student at SMP this, I am a student at SMK and blah blah blah. Lalu the last one is your opinion about English and why English is important. Misalnya tadi I think English is very important because I think blah 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 blah. Gitu ya. Jadi minimal 1 minute or 2 minutes ya. Kalau misalnya lebih it's okay, it's fine. Nanti nanti dibagikan di sini ya teman-teman. Nanti habis ini akan dikirimkan link, di mana di linknya itu nanti kalian akan mengirimkan tugasnya ya. Jadi nanti ada link, nanti linknya tuh berbentuk seperti ini. Lalu nanti ada nama, misalnya nama saya Bibit Waluyo misalnya. Lalu nanti ini linknya tuh, videonya tuh ada dua macam pengumpulan ya. Yang pertama kirim di link, atau yang kedua kirim di video. Kirim di media sosial, social media. Misalnya mau kirim TikTok, atau maybe Instagram, boleh, nanti di-upload di situ. Lalu di metode pengumpulannya tinggal pilih. Kalau misalnya mau kirim di YouTube, atau Google Drive, atau Instagram, TikTok, boleh, berarti pilihnya kirim link. Nanti di link videonya bisa dikirim di sini. Tapi kalau misalnya malu buat taruh di social media, you can just give the file video. Nanti ada di sini pilihannya, pilih filenya. Lalu maksimal 10 MB ya teman-teman, jadi tidak boleh lebih dari 10 MB. Nanti linknya akan dikirimkan ya after this ya. Nanti hasil nilainya akan dimasukkan di sertifikat kalian. Apakah kalian lulus atau tidak? Nah, itu tergantung dari nilainya kalian yang ada di video ini. Jadi I hope you guys can try to more focus, more serious ya about the tugas ya, about the assignment. Oke, jadi ini ya pengumpulan tugasnya ya. Don't forget kalau misalnya mau upload file aja. Kalau misalnya tidak mau, saya maunya kirim di YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, itu juga boleh. Jadi tinggal pilih kirim link. Nanti linknya taruh di sini. Lalu kirim tugas. Oke, jadi itu ya untuk sedikit demo buat pengumpulan tugas akhirnya ya. Nanti dikumpulkan paling lambat Minggu malam jam 8 WIB ya. Jadi paling lambat hari Minggu ini jam 8 malam. Oke, itu ya. Lalu yang terakhir, slide terakhir ya. Oke, jangan lupa teman-temannya. Jadi introduction sama your opinion about why English is important. Oke, the last one is thank you. Thank you guys. Jadi ini itu ya. Kode absennya nanti. Dan juga jangan lupa absennya. Dan ini kodenya ya teman-teman. Oke, so I think that's all for today. Thank you so much guys for coming today. Thank you so much for joining our bootcamp, our free bootcamp today.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay guys, okay yeah, thank you so much ya guys, and I will wait for your assignment. I will wait for your face. I will wait for your videos, and thank you guys. I'll see you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Don't forget the. Oh wait. Wait. Jangan pergi dulu. Kita take a screenshot dulu. Wait ya, sorry. Take a screenshot dulu. Okay guys, open your camera. Wait ya. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you. Bye bye.
See you, Miss.
See you.